Investing can be a difficult process. There are so many options, asset classes, different stocks, different countries to invest in, and it can feel overwhelming sometimes as an investor. With thousands of securities and hundreds of ETFs to invest in on the ASX, it's hard to know where to start. And we get it. You might not have the time to do the research, select specific companies or ETFs to buy, and then maintain that portfolio on a regular basis. We've got an investment product that may help simplify this process a bit for you. The Diversified All Growth ETF, ASX code DHHF. Here are 3 benefits of DHHF that can help simplify the investment process if you're just getting started or want a low maintenance and well-diversified portfolio. Number 1. DHHF is an all-in-one investment solution with potential for high growth over the long term. DHHF gives you 100% exposure to stocks by using a combination of passive and cost-effective exchange-traded funds. DHHF is basically an ETF of ETFs, so it holds a number of other ETFs inside its portfolio. This includes those holding Australian stocks, US stocks, and other global stocks. And so, by buying DHHF, you get an all-in-one growth investment. This can be particularly useful for investors with a high risk tolerance. Just like managing a growth portfolio, DHHF then rebalances these holdings every quarter to ensure that you maintain set exposures to different stock markets over time. This means you don't have to worry about getting overexposed to a certain sector or country. DHHF completes this adjustment process for you. Number 2, diversification. If you buy a single share, like CBA, you gain exposure to a single sector, like the banking sector, and a single geography, Australia. A diversified exposure across multiple sectors and countries can help reduce risk. Say, for example, if the Australian economy underperforms the global economy and you only hold CBA, your single asset portfolio will underperform a portfolio that holds a diversified collection of companies from across the globe. DHHF provides a truly diversified stock exposure, holding over 8,000 companies across different sectors, countries, and sizes within its portfolio. Number 3, cost. Finally, we're proud to say that DHHF is one of the lowest cost diversified ETFs in Australia, with management costs of only 0.19% per year. So you get this all-in-one diversified investment exposure at a very, very reasonable cost. If you want to learn more about this ETF, how it works and what it holds, you can check out the DHHF fund page on our website. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.